Welcome back to the channel. So if you are new to this channel and you're not subscribed, I want you to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel. I'll give you guys updates on gold, back-to-back updates on gold in the Telegram channel. You'll find it in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting this week on our gold. So we would go to our daily time frame. We clearly can see that the full trend on our gold is actually an upward movement, right? This is a bullish move. Foot overall trend on gold is actually to the movement to the upside. Right now, there is kind of like a pullback, which is consolidating within this level. So once the consolidation is over, we would expect more movement to the upside. So now this is what we will be expecting this week. We clearly can see that this is our resistance level. First market tapped this level, one. We had the second touch here, and we had our third touch here, which we will take as our resistance level. Now this we will take a look at this to be our support level. So first touch here, second touch here, this is our third touch. So whatever you want to do on gold, take your buy to a level of 2714. So that is our target for this week on gold. We should be expecting gold to give us that bullish move to a level of 2714. There might not be much movement this week, due to the fact that there's Christmas this week, so we might not have that much movement. But whatever thing you would want to do this week on gold is actually a buy to a level of 2714. That is our movement. So if markets tap this level, I'm going to give you guys an update on what we should be expecting next. Probably markets can break above it and push up, or we are likely to see a drop. That update will be covered in the Telegram channel, so follow it. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.